Welcome back to the channel. Life has been quite busy and I haven't been able to post anything regarding the renovation of my Machiya house in Kyoto. The floor plan of the house was decided quite early back in March or April this year, but because of budget reasons and also the schedule of applying to subsidies from Kyoto City, the actual work of renovation didn't start until summer this year, and as you can see, the machiya was just dismantled back in August. For a full-scale renovation like this one, the entire concrete flooring was they were all removed, and the more damaged wall and pillars, they also had to be removed or replaced at the certain point of the renovation. So basically just keeping the frame of the house. Because old machiya or kominka houses are usually tilted or slanted to a certain degree, so it's necessary to jack up the house and to make everything leveled before we start any of the renovation. And these are just some photos of how the jack up was done. During this process, I think they also tend to remove the base of the pillar and instead insert rock like this to prevent humidity. And after that's done, we add a layer of a plastic sheet to again prevent the moisture and also termites from eating the pillar, the wood. And on top of that, you have these reinforcing bar, and these are to help the house become more resistant to earthquake shakes. And finally, by the end of September, after the concrete they have been casted, we have the foundation done for my new home. Some of the pillars, they're still going to be replaced later on, so that's why they're blocked off like this. Entering October, we finally have new locks ready to make the new floor frame. To be honest, this is still very far away from being done. But I'm quite satisfied with seeing the house coming together a little piece by piece, and have the foundation done certainly gives me more confident that this is going to actually be completed one day, hopefully soon, by the early next year. Also, it's quite interesting knowing that depending on different stages of the renovation, sometimes there are 3-4 people all working on the same thing, and sometimes they'll really just leave one person to do really specific work, like the day that I was filming. And to be honest, I still have mixed feelings having the foundation changed into this modern concrete way, but if it's for the safety for the family, I guess I'll just leave it to the professionals to take care of everything. At the back of the house here is where the bathroom is going to be, and then there are bamboo from the past owner. They're still under the ground. A bit worried if you'll go all over the place or they'll stick in the same area, but we'll see.